tile job. Got a lot of tile actually booked up for the coming weeks, and I'm going to focus a little bit more on getting some more tile jobs this year, higher ticket jobs. Carpet cleaning is doing great for me, but hey, you know, always got to evolve.
Turn left onto Niblick Road.
So if you guys are just getting into the carpet cleaning industry and you're taking on bringing in start focusing on some tile, or don't know much about it, and you think you need like a big truck mount or really expensive cleaning wands to do it, not really, guys. I mean, tools just make things easier, you know. I mean, if you want to get on your hands and knees with a scrubber and a microfiber rag and a spray bottle, you can clean a whole 3,000 square foot home tile. How long is it going to take you, though? So that's the reason why people invest in equipment to make jobs easier and more efficient. So my point is, this is just going to be a little job. This is going to give you a bathroom, and I'm going to seal it. I'm going to clean it, seal it, and I'm going to seal the shower floor, I believe. Did the quote over the phone. It's going to be $250. Not a big job or anything like that. But the point is, I'm going to be not using my tile wand on this job. I'm going to be using well, actually it's a tile wand, but not the spinner. So there's a big difference. I mean, you can get a tile wand for probably $400. You know, spinners cost, you know, I don't know, $1,200–$1,500. The tile wands are great for portables, even for truck mounts. But if you just got a portable and your PSI doesn't go to at least 700, a spinner is not going to work for you, because you need to have that PSI to have those things rotate around. But if you have a portable with, you know, PSI above 700, then you can definitely use a spinner. But if you don't, say if you got a portable PSI 500, okay, and you want to start taking on some tile jobs, I wouldn't suggest, unless you got a really good portable with great suction and a PSI, to where you can leave the thing outside and do your cleaning. I wouldn't suggest taking too big of jobs with a portable if you're only running like 25 feet of hose. But if you do, and you got a low PSI, then a tile wand is something that you can use. It looks like a carpet cleaning wand kinda, but it's a tile wand. So you don't need that PSI to spin those things around, you know, to get that rinse. It's kind of like cleaning carpets. So you're gonna have to depend on a lot of your chemistry and a lot of agitation first, and then, you know, it's gonna take a little longer. You have to move a little slower with that wand to get a good rinse and do the job. So it's gonna take you a little longer, but you can get the job done. So if you're thinking on taking on some tile cleaning, it's not that difficult, guys. It's just like cleaning carpets. Pre-spray, agitate, extract. And the money's about twice. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, helping to make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, customer decided to add cleaning that, so I'm cleaning that and sealing all this. Already pre-sprayed everything, scrubbed around all the edges. I'm going to go through it with an Amco and scrub the main parts. quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course. Down below all my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. Drying it off before I seal it. Customer doesn't want any kind of enhancement on it as of now. As you can tell, it's dull looking. This is a natural stone. Definitely this stuff looks a lot better when it's wet. But he's not worried about that, but he may have me add some to the bathroom areas, the part that bugs him. That soap scum and stuff like that just doesn't want to budge, but when you put like a gloss seal over that, it disguises it, so it looks beautiful again. But we'll see. Okay, so customer decided to pass on the gloss for now. He's gonna think about it, and if he does, he's gonna go local and get some. But I'm gonna seal it using Sager Super Sealer.
Think I finally found a better way. 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 Think I finally found a better way.